Back with number 4, and we have residential customers who heat their homes with natural gas have their monthly bills calculated by adding a base service charge of $9.19 per month. And so that being a base service charge means that no matter how much natural gas someone uses in a month, even if they use zero, they're going to pay $9.19 just for having the service at their house. And beyond that, you get charged $0.8357, which is 83.57 cents per 100 cubic feet. And so the way we would get cubic feet in a house is multiplying the square footage, which is what we're used to hearing, by the height of the ceilings. So we're going to write an equation for the monthly charge, y in terms of x being the number of cubic feet. So we are able to use y equals mx plus b because in this case we do have a y-intercept, which is going to be the base charge, or the amount that is charged when we have used zero natural gas. And so what we will have is our slope is going to be 0.8357, and then x plus our service charge of $9.19. So that's it for our equation. And we are asked to identify and explain the marginal cost and fixed cost of heating a home with natural gas. So the marginal cost here, everyone, is going to be the slope, and the fixed costs are going to be the service fee that we must be charged. And so the marginal cost is going to be the amount that it changes by per or for every cubic foot that is in our home. And the fixed cost of $9.19 is going to be the amount that we pay no matter how much natural gas we use. I'll write that down, I'll pause while I do, and I'll be back. So we do have marginal costs of $0.8357, which is 83.57 cents for every cubic foot of heated space. And our fixed costs are $9.19 when no natural gas is used. We are still charged $9.19 just for having that service at our location. So everyone, for part C, we are asked what would be the estimated monthly heating cost for a 19,200 cubic foot home. Now, one of the things here with this problem, it's a little bit hidden in the wording, but this equation that we have models the cost for the number of hundreds of cubic feet. So we are not going to use 19,200 in the equation. We are going to divide by 100, and we are going to get 192. So very careful that when we see that this is done in dollars per 100 cubic feet, we have to remember that in the number that goes into the equation is going to be the number of total cubic feet divided by 100, and that's going to make a big difference. So for us, everyone, what we would have for part C is we have our equation y equals 0.8357x plus 9.19, and we are going to end up putting in 192. And that's going to get us what we need to figure out the monthly cost of heating this home. And so again, for part C, everyone, 19,200 cubic feet seems like a lot. This is actually, I based this off of a 2,400 square foot home with 8-foot ceilings. And so again, this is not some gigantic mansion. It's a 2,400 square foot house with 8-foot ceilings. And so we are dealing with cubic feet, not square feet. So what we end up with here, everyone, is 169.64, and we'll round to the nearest 100th place because this is talking about money. So we get y equals 169.64. And so monthly cost to heat this home would be $169.64. That seems a little bit expensive to me. But I guess it is what it is.